Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off suggested for you on Facebook. If you're new here, I'm Michael, and to turn off suggested for you on Facebook, now click on your profile icon on the top right corner of your page and then click on settings and privacy. Then click on settings. This will take you to your profile setting. Now click on see more in account center. This is going to take you to your Facebook Meta Suite. On your Facebook Meta Suite page, scroll down to the bottom and then you will see add preference. Click on add preference. Now click on add settings. On your add settings page, click on activity information from add partners and then click on review settings. Do you want us to use your activity information from ads to show you ads? And you want to come down and click on no, don't make my ads more relevant by using this information, and then click on confirm. Once you've done that, you want to come to this section where it says categories used to reach you. Click on this. And on this page, you want to make sure you turn off each and every one of these. Now, after you have everything turned off, scroll down and click on other categories and then click on see all categories. You want to make sure you remove each and every of this category. Once you have removed all the options, go back to your ad settings and click on ads shown off Meta. On this page, scroll down to the bottom where it says choose if you want to allow Meta to show your ads in other apps. You can change these settings at any time. You want to toggle it off. Once you have done this, after a few days, the suggested for you on Facebook will be disabled. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to turn off suggested for you on Facebook. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to subscribe to this channel and have its post notification bell turned on. I hope to see you guys in my next video.